Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2020 Honda Pilot key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you only need this battery 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you do that, this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. And now when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this to the bottom, and right here in this space between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here like this. And when you insert it, now twist it a little bit, push up, and this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. Now when you do that, make sure this side with the buttons is facing down to the table, because you can very easily lose these buttons. Okay, when you separate into two pieces, now on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place you need to install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.